program chairs. And now, to close our formal program, may we call on our college registrar, Ms. Regina C. Batalya, LPT MAED, for her closing remarks.
Good morning, everyone. Actually, I thought it will take until 12 noon for this ceremony to finish. Unfortunately, only 73 were able to come, and we still appreciate your presence, especially all the parents who were able to make it. For the 34 students who were not able to make it, we still extend our congratulations to them. So, once again, good morning. As we end today's recognition rites, we, all the lay administrators, the deans, the program chairs, and the faculty, congratulate all our awardees for the hard work and dedication that you brought here. This achievement is indeed a shared success with your families, teachers, and the entire school community who supported you along the way. It is really a privilege to see your efforts reflected in today's honors. May this milestone motivate you to continue learning, growing, and aiming higher. Once again, congratulations, and thank you for being a part of this meaningful celebration. Good morning, and bravo, Baste!
Thank you, Ms. Batalya. And to end our celebration with gratitude, may we invite Ms. Jilia Claire Eugenio to lead us in our closing prayer.
Please all stand. So let us put ourselves in the holy presence of